Hey subscribers, massage enthusiasts, ever wondered how to perform a Swedish massage like a pro? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on Swedish massage. Let's get started. First off, Swedish massage is all about relaxation and improving blood flow. It uses 5 main techniques: Effleurage, Petrissage, friction, tapotement, and vibration. Don't worry if these sound fancy, I'll break them down for you. Let's kick things off with Effleurage. This is all about long, gliding strokes. Start by applying a small amount of massage oil to your hands. Begin at the neck and work your way down to the lower back, using gentle, flowing movements. This helps to warm up the muscles and spread the oil evenly. Smooth and steady is the key here. Next up is Petrissage. Think of this as kneading dough. Use your hands to lift and squeeze the muscles, working in a circular motion. This technique is great for releasing tight knots and improving muscle flexibility. Start from the shoulders and work your way down, making sure to cover all the major muscle groups. Moving on to friction. This involves using your fingers or thumbs to apply deep circular pressure to specific areas. Focus on places where you feel tension or stiffness. This technique is excellent for breaking down adhesions and improving mobility. Now let's talk about tapotement. This is a rhythmic tapping motion. Use the edge of your hands or cupped hands to gently strike the muscles. It's invigorating and helps to stimulate blood flow. Just remember, you're aiming for a light drumming effect, not heavy pounding. Last but not least, we have vibration. Place your hands on the muscle and shake them rapidly to create a vibrating effect. This is perfect for calming the nerves and promoting relaxation. Use this technique towards the end of your massage session. So, what are the benefits of Swedish massage? Well, it's known for reducing stress and anxiety, improving circulation, and boosting overall well-being. It can also help with pain management and increase joint flexibility. Plus, who doesn't love a good massage? Before you start, always make sure your client is comfortable and ask about any areas that need special attention. Communication is key. Alright, massage enthusiasts, that's it for today's guide on how to perform a Swedish massage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Thanks for watching and happy massaging.